Good afternoon everyone. So this is my second of my 19 days spoken English challenge. If you do not watch my previous video, if you do not watch my second day of my 19 days spoken English challenge video, then go and watch that video. That video will gonna really helpful for you to build your English, make your English to make your English more improvement and to more enhance to your English. That will really help you to enhance your English. So if you don't watch that video, if you didn't watch that video, go and watch first, then come on this video. Okay, so now, as I told you, this is my third day of my 19 days spoken English challenge, and now I am on my way, and I am heading toward my computer center, and it's at 1:32 o'clock, and today I'm also got late, so I don't know what would happen with me. So you might think that I got that this is my second of vlog. No, it's not my second of my vlog, it's my third of my vlog. Actually, you can see that I wear the same jacket, so that's why you might think about that this is the second day of Amanda, and I'm just talking it, I'm just trying to make it third day. So it's not that kind of thing you are thinking about. That it's a third day of my 90 days spoken English challenge. Okay, so now I am on the road, and I think you have already know about this road in my previous video, in my second day of my 90 days spoken English video. Okay, so you can see, I think this is a little park, and today I'm gonna teach you some vocabulary through the comprehensible input. Okay, so we are gonna learn English through comprehensible input. If you do not get any voice from my side, please compromise, because of I am on the road, so it might be difficult to you to listen my voice. But just wait a minute, we are gonna enter in a safe place. Okay guys, now I got the place where there is a very less noise rather than that previous place. So now I think you can listen me proper way. Okay, so you know what, last time I used a word of that comprehensible. So you will ask, what is the meaning of comprehensible input? So comprehensible input means when you speak slowly and clearly, the listener can easily listen and understand. That way, that thing, we can use comprehensible input, that way of speaking English. Okay, so as you can see, there is a car behind me, and this is a big mall, and currently I'm living in a Jhunjhunu, as I told you. Okay, so as you can see, there is a school. This is for children. Okay, so now I am on another place, and you can see behind me there is a stall. They sell like material, or like stationery material, and some eating products, so like biscuits, that kind of thing they sell on their shop. And this is there is a new road made. They made a new road 2 days ago. Okay, so I told that there you can see this is a new road, and it made 2 days ago. So it's a very good road, and you can see the street which am I using to walk. It's a very shrink. It's a not like a large road. It's a very close road. It's a very shrink. Okay, so and you can see there is a drain. The dirty water goes through from this drain, so you can easily use the brush drain for this thing. And my computer center is far away, from 500 meter away from this place. So I think I need to end my vlog, and we will meet in my next vlog. with a new thing. Okay, I wanna show you one thing. You can see there is a dog and he got dying birds. It has a birds it, that already had a dead. So he got that birds to eat. That is a dirty dog. I don't like pets because of my parents don't like pets, so that's why we don't have a pets in our house. So you can see that building is a building. That building is a new, and there are a lot of things to share with you, but I don't have a much time to share all these things. So in the next vlog, definitely I'm gonna give a tour of my room, and I will teach you a lot of vocabulary about my room and about the life and about the things will around me. Okay, so it's time to end the vlog. We will meet in the third vlog, in the fourth vlog. So if you like this vlog, if you get something learn through this, if you learn something through this vlog, then hit the like button, and if you want to join me regularly, then hit the subscribe button. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you very much.